Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. USDCAD. Today I will talk about the potential upside reversal, but the US data will be decisive today as the US is to release high impact events. Data, read disclaimer here, don't forget to read it. So later today, guys, we'll have the US non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, and also the the Canadian economic data could have some impact on the US dollar and also on the USDCAD. All right. So as you can see here, the Canadian employment change, unemployment rate. Indicators are expected maybe to report poor data compared to the previous reporting period, but very important, the US economic data, the USDCAD could turn to the upside, could jump higher only if the US data will come in better than expected, and of course maybe if the Canadian economic data will come in worse than expected. Okay, because after this massive downside movement sell-off, so the currency pair dropped because the US dollar depreciated versus rivals, versus the other major currencies, because the dollar index crashed. Right now, as you can see here, the currency pair reached a demand zone. Okay, and a demand zone, it has rebounded, bounced back. It was oversold. Right now, after this first rally, maybe a retreat is natural. If it stays here above 1.3430, maybe it could only come back down to retest here the new demand zone, minor demand zone, before jumping higher. And but as I've said, guys, today the fundamentals will be decisive, and as I've said, if the US data will come in line with expectations or better than expected, and if the Canadian economic data will come in worse than expected, then maybe the US dollar could take the lead, and the US dollar Canadian dollar could develop a new leg higher, a larger rebound, bounce back, a larger growth here, maybe a swing higher in the short term. So after this breakout here above the immediate highs, maybe a retreat is natural. We also have an immediate resistance here, a new supply zone 1.3459 as the first critical resistance in the short term. Taking out this resistance could signal up a larger rebound, broader swing higher in the short term. But don't forget that if the US data will come in worse than expected, and if the Canadian data will come in better than expected, then maybe the USDCAD could hit new lows. Okay, even if the currency pair showed or signaled upon exhaustion here, an oversold. Okay. Because right now the dollar index is still under strong downside pressure, is still bearish. That's why a deeper drop here should force the US dollar Canadian dollar to drop deeper. So this is my opinion. Personally, I'll wait maybe for the economic data. Personally, I will try to catch a potential reversal, upside reversal. USD CAD, a potential upside reversal if it stays above 1.3430. Okay, if it retest, if it prints only false breakdowns, people have confirmation. Maybe I would have liked the price to take out 1.3459 before dropping again, something like this, breakout, maybe a retest, and then to look for potential longs. But maybe we'll have a bullish confirmation here after the non-farm payrolls, after the US economic data, after the Canadian economic data. If it prints only false breakdowns, maybe we'll have something like long opportunity on this market. Here's the disclaimer, don't forget to read it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.